Hi mga boss, magandang araw po. Andito po tayo sa Honda Sapang Palay Branch. Ayan po yung dealer, Motor Trade. I-check po natin yung kanilang Honda ADV. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng konting specs, price, at mga features na meron po si Honda ADV. So tara, let's go! Ito na yung kanilang Honda ADV 150cc. First impression, makikita nyo po sa kanyang design is very futuristic na po yung design niya, lalo na yung kanyang headlight. Then makita nyo rin po siya na parang pwedeng bagay na bagay siya sa mga matatangkad na rider kasi ang laki po niya tignan sa personal. Okay, so i-check po natin kung ano po yung mga meron si Honda ADV, kung bakit pumapatok to ngayon.
You alive, can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat. You'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious. Release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blown me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon. Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick.
I-check naman po natin yung kanyang mga switch. Sa right side po may idling stop, may hazard switch, at yung kanyang push button. Sa left side naman po, nandito yung high and low beam, at yung kanyang busina, at yung kanyang mga signal lights. Yung hand grip po niya, okay na okay din po, all stock. Then yung kanyang panel gauge is digital po. Yung kanya naman pong U-box, napakalaki po na ito. Kasi meron po siyang 28 liters U-box capacity. Then maganda po yung upuan niya kasi hindi po siya dumediretso na sumasarado. Yan, may spring po siya doon sa bandang loob. Shoutout sir. Shoutout. Shoutout.
Sa pambalay, sa pambalay,